Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 121 of Building the Back to the Future Delorean. This issue is a very short, quick build series. We've got one thing to do. The reactor cowl, which I need to make. I say make, the cowl is basically made. We're putting a little bracket or tube or pipe or vent or handle on the side of it. And that's it. We're just putting two pieces together, not even screwing them together. We're just putting them together. But then we'll fit it another time. Looking at the Scream Awards from 2010, a reunion. Obviously, they get back together with the car as well. Look, the three of them, the three main people from the series. There we go. Cool. Obviously, a nice picture of the pair of them back together again. Good to see them still around. And it's been educational. This is Marty saying goodbye, briefly. Successfully engaging his parents, bringing his parents together. He has to go back to the future. Next time, yes, we're fitting these internal vent pieces to the cowl that we've done. I'm not sure which one I've got. Does it look like? It's got a bracket on the outside, so it's probably this right one that we've got here. So we're going to be fitting these to it, and probably fitting that to the reactor base, because we've got lots of screws there. So I'm assuming that's the case. We'll find out soon. But first of all, let me do this. I reckon it's going to take about 20 seconds. So let's see how long it actually takes me. Here we go. These are the parts supplied. We've got a handle and a bracket. Oh, it's bendy. I was thinking that was going to be a solid thing, but it's not. It's a bendy thing. We've got two angles as well, actually. Can I see? Yeah, it looks like it's that way around. So one is going in there like that, and the other one is going in there like that. Got some bendiness to the middle there. We'll obviously have to play around with that to get that to look good. But that is that. All done. No trouble at all. Unless it's the other way around. They're going to fit better. No, still some bendiness to that. I'm going to go with what it looks like from the picture. That does look worse. Can't really make out from the picture-in-picture you can see there which way round it goes, but I'm going to go with the second way round because that is shorter and this is higher. I'm going to have that one in that side and that one in that side. I may change my mind down the line, but I'm fairly happy with that. We'll see how it looks when it goes together. So that is that. Another issue done. See you soon for putting the vent bits in, and as I say, probably fitting that to the reactor thing. We'll find out soon. That should be tomorrow, all things being equal. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.